everyone, today I'm gonna talk about two words and they are fond and found. The word is fond, meaning is to like someone or something or to like doing something. Sentences are I'm fond of ice creams, she is fond of keeping pets, he is fond of cars and bikes. The other word is found. It has got different meanings, like found means to establish, or found is having been discovered by chance or unexpectedly. Found is a past participle of find. That means it's used in simple past tense. So I can use found in sentences like I found my wallet under the table. In the story, the farmer found a box full of gold in the farm. The institution was founded 25 years ago.